first of all, I need your introduction.
My name is Dr. Sunil.
Okay.
So I'm an engineering director for artificial intelligence with Maersk.
Wow.
We ship all your goods.
Oh my God. Okay. Sunil. I'm sorry, Sunil. I think this is serendipity, and this was meant to happen. So I'm Dolly Aswani. I'm a senior relationship manager at Phillips Education. So basically what we do is, Sunil, how the manufacturing space is on an ever increasing rate in India. But we are lacking, and all our partners who get machines from us, they have this one thing that we don't get skill ready and job ready folks. So Phillips Machine Tools took it upon themselves to start trainings and to start training courses in colleges, in schools, and now our training courses are also availed by our customers who buy machines.
Awesome.
So the thing that you see, 3 days training course, 1 day training course, and the Machinist app. I'll quickly introduce you with the Machinist app. Give me just 1 second.
Yeah, that's the training course that.
Here you go. This is the Phillips Machinist app. So this app, ma'am, so there is no one single app for the whole manufacturing community. This app has jobs, this app has courses, this app has calculators, this app has charts, G codes, M codes, name it. And this app has also a feature called Pulse, which tells you what's happening around you in the manufacturing space. So it's like a, Makkah for all the manufacturing folks, be it companies, be it students, be it people who are interested in the manufacturing space. Now, since you told artificial intelligence, we are now actually going in schools, 9 to 12 standard, where we are actually launching Make Labs.
Wow.
Okay, Make Labs. Make stands for manufacturing, automation, knowledge and engineering.
Wow.
And why we want to get these, labs with folks like these when they come to 9 standard and 10 standard, because Sunil, that manufacturing is not sexy for them, it's not fancy for them. Artificial intelligence is, robotics is, anything related to computers is, but we want them to take a informed decision of entering into the manufacturing space. We want to give them a ray of light that yes, manufacturing is nothing that can be only thopofied on you. Thopofied, you understand? किसी पे थोप देना कोई चीज़, yeah? We don't want anything to be stamped on them. We want to take them an informed decision, and that's where I think there's a synergy. We should talk more, and yeah, I think we should end the live. We should not end the live. We should not end the live.
Say thank you, Phillips.
You should say thank you, Phillips. There. Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
Hold the mic. Hold the mic.
Yeah, of course.
How do you like the Phillips? This stall. What's your experience like?
It's amazing. I like it very much. It's so interesting.
What did you like the most?
The 3D printer.
The 3D printer. Oh my God! Do you know what brand that 3D printer was?
I don't know.
It's okay. That's Mark Forged. You can go again and learn about that.
Okay.
I would like to give the mic to your sister. What did you like the most about Philips stall here?
3D printer.
3D printer. Didn't you like the Philips Education booth?
Yes.
This, you liked it? What about you, mister?
I also like that.
You like that? No, you got the gift. No, very smart.
So
Okay.
the two of them are very engineering oriented. So whereas this girl is more artistic.
Okay.
So if you were to show her some artistic thing with 3D printer, she would love it.
Oh, we would like to do it. We would quickly ask someone to show you something artistic. You choose whatever you want to see, and we'll ask the engineer to make it. Okay? Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. This is our future manufacturers, machinist, and we are from the Philips stall to you.
Love
Thank
you, Phillips. Thank you so much.
Thank you.